So this is a simple tutorial using just 3 eyeshadow colors. I'm using orange and a matte teal, and then on top of that I'm placing a shimmery teal. And I did wet my brush to apply the shimmery teal just to make it more vibrant. Next I'm going in with my Stila liner, which is my ultimate favorite black eyeliner, and following that up with some mascara. And then I'm adding my Fenty concealer and NARS foundation with a Ben Nye setting powder, and adding a few more layers of mascara, and then going back in with a blush and a highlight and the Urban Decay makeup setting spray. Let me know how you guys like this look, and I'll see you in my next video.